Flexible all-rounders for any ground. The Heavydrive MRK assembly cranes. Retracted, the mini crawler cranes fit in any van and can easily be loaded and unloaded. With its crawler tracks, the MRK effortlessly moves on uneven ground and even steep slopes. With their electric drive and non-marking tracks, the MRK cranes are also perfect for indoor use. A single operator can control the cranes directly or by radio remote control. On site, you can extend the support legs in a few quick steps. Each of the 4 supports can be positioned and adjusted exactly to the millimeter. The Heavydrive assembly cranes are available in different versions with a load capacity of up to 10,000 kilos.
Heavydrive.